Okay, CarPro Tar X. I keep saying Iron X. Sorry. We're gonna use this on the car. I'm losing my light like always on all my videos. Always lose light. So you're working and it's getting fall and it gets dark quick. So we're gonna go after these spots right here for this video. Right there. So, and it says shake well, spray on drive surface, let set for 2 to 3 minutes, brush, wipe on, wash the car with shampoo or power wash. And it says avoid leaving this product on more than 7 to 10 minutes. And it says avoid drying on plastic surface. Do not let dry under sun. So let's try it out so you don't spray on that stuff. So let's see if it gets this tar. I'm gonna spray it on there, shake it up, and then let it sit. Turn it on. Hopefully we can see that. It's a little wet right there. And it stinks. I'm losing my light. It's dry over here. Let's try it out here. Might get some better light. Yeah, right there. It's a little damp, but oh well. Let's try it. It's dry right here. See those spots there? A little wet there. So let's try it out. Let me just spray a bunch of areas. Looks pretty cool, huh? Spraying. Check it out. About to wash the car real quick and get in the garage. Alright, let's let it sit for a few minutes. Then we'll wipe it in. Rag that I used on the other stuff right here. Got my water ready. Alright. Check it out. It's a little wet, but it stinks I'm losing my light. So let's see how it works. For 3 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Those spots come off right here. This big spot, let's see. Is it coming off? That spot's not coming off. Gotta do some work on it. No, it's coming off. Got a little, scrub it a little bit. And it came off. Gotta hurry up because you can't leave it on here more than 7 minutes. There's the spot. Got it, see? Alright. Not bad. Alright. I sprayed it on here. I think it's just mainly all nicked up. I don't see any tar. Nope. It's in the plastic. We had some over here. See it? It's coming right off. Yeah. It's getting it. Remember, this car hasn't been detailed in years. If ever. So, that CarPro Tar X is working. I mean, you gotta scrub it a little bit. You gotta put some elbow into it, but right here, a good spot. There, got it. I wish you, hopefully you guys can see this. I mean, it stinks getting fall and you're trying to get these cars done, get it ready for winter, and just running out of light. Here's my nail. Sometimes on those old ones you gotta use your nail a little bit, but it's getting it. There you go. There's a nice one there. And there. Yeah, you gotta rub it in. There's no, I'm not gonna lie on that. It gives you a little workout. I'm sure maybe if you put it on there, rinse it off, and then reapply it again, maybe it'd help. But it seems like any time you use tar remover, you gotta do a little workout. You need to try that WD-40. That's a big one there. I gotta respray that. That's supposed to get it off. WD-40. See, that one came right off. Not bad. I mean, you gotta scrub it a little bit, but you probably gotta scrub it a little bit too with the WD-40. But just getting it. Little workout. I'm gonna squirt this down so it's not on there longer than 7 minutes. On the other side, if you guys remember, and then I rewash this side because that's what it says to do on the product. So it's been 3 minutes. Let's go see if we can get it off. I hope you guys see this. I'm bummed out if you guys can't. Losing my light. Yeah, working all the time. It's hard. I'm off tomorrow, Monday, but I got so much running around to do. I might not even have time to mess with this until around probably the same time too. And that. So there it is. I hope you guys see it right there. Let's see if we get it off. It's coming. There it goes, getting smaller. Boom, gone. Yeah, it works pretty good. I think out of like say turtle wax, this works better. It seems like it softens up pretty quick. And if it's stubborn, I say just rinse it, maybe dry it again, or leave it wet and apply that product again, and then let it sit and then wipe it off. But yeah, I think it works. The CarPro Tar X, I believe it did a pretty good job. Yeah, it softened up a little bit faster like turtle wax, because turtle wax bug and tar remover works pretty decent too. So, but this works, softens it up. And yeah, like I said, it says don't leave on for 7 minutes. Rinse the vehicle and shampoo it or power wash it. Yeah, so gotta wash it again. No big deal. And then plus too, if you already have your sealant on here and you do get some tar on there and you want to get off and you want to use something like this, any bug remover, you're gonna have to reapply your wax or sealant that you use. So hopefully you guys probably already know that. And then so there's the directions. So yeah, it works pretty decent. I like the spray nozzles on these bottles, man. They're great. So when they're empty, I might clean them out real good and save and reuse them, because I do save my empty bottles, and you can reuse them for other stuff. But just something like this, you will have to clean it out really, really good and air it out. Use some dish soap and clean out a few times. But it'd be great for if you buy a gallon of this, but I don't need a gallon of it. But yeah, so it works good. So I'm gonna wash this side and continue. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. I'll have the link in the description below for Amazon. If you guys do use those links, you don't even have to order these products, but if you do use that link and you order something to Amazon, it helps our channel out, and we'll be able to buy products like this and test them out for you guys. You know, we're no experts. We're just driveway detailers, so that this is our hobby, and I enjoy testing out different products and using them. And I always use the products. They work, they use them. And some of the products I give away. You know, some of the waxes and that I gave to my brother for his Jeep and his wife's vehicle. So yeah, so it's a win. I'll buy the stuff, test it out, like it, and then I'll pass it on to a family member that likes to do stuff like this too. So you guys have a great one. I'm gonna finish this up and get this in the garage and start polishing. Later.